Welcome to Pi Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower, Hui Street Subway Station, your gateway to an unforgettable Xi'an experience. To book your stay and discover more about this exceptional hotel, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or refer to the description below. This distinguished hotel offers a sanctuary of refined elegance, seamlessly blending modern comfort with the rich cultural heritage of Xi'an. Each meticulously appointed room and suite is a haven of tranquility, featuring plush furnishings, exquisite decor, and state-of-the-art amenities designed to cater to your every need. Savor delectable culinary experiences within the hotel's dining venues, where expert chefs craft exquisite dishes using the freshest local ingredients. Enjoy seamless convenience with our comprehensive laundry service and dry cleaning facilities, allowing you to travel light and refreshed. Our attentive concierge team stands ready to assist with every detail of your stay, from arranging transportation to securing tickets to the city's most captivating attractions. Leave your luggage worries behind with our secure storage facilities, and should the moment strike, our vending machines provide instant refreshment. At Pi Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower, Hui Street Subway Station, your comfort and satisfaction are our utmost priorities. We invite you to experience the pinnacle of hospitality, where every aspect of your stay is designed to create lasting memories. Remember, for reservations and a detailed look at all this exquisite hotel has to offer, please scan the QR code now.